Man, I love this rap game mainly 'cause it's cool to add a little spice to the life we've been through. Everyone exaggerates a tiny little bit, make that shit sound more gangster than it really is. You can't appear weak, man, we want to hear street, we want to hear you spit your thug over this here beat. Don't take it as sarcastic, I can't get enough, I'm telling you, you can call my bluff if it's not rough, then I really don't mean it. I'm not even ashamed. I've got too much reality that's filling up my brain. So sell me on that product, I'm addicted to the game. Suck it up like a cigarette, light it up, man. It's just like a cigarette. It's something that I do once in a while, but between me and you, it's just like a cigarette.